Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can group multiple objects in Google Slides presentation. But I think it is important to let you know that you cannot group text. So I don't know why, but basically we cannot group text with other items or even text with text. It's just not possible. But you're still able to group images, shapes, chart, diagram, and many other objects that are not text. So yeah, that's the limitation at the moment. I don't know why they don't allow you to group text, but anyway, this is how you can group multiple objects together. First, you have to select the object. There are two options or two methods you can try. You can just use the cursor by clicking and dragging to select the objects like that, and it's going to basically select all of them. Or you can also use the control key on your keyboard. You just need to press and hold the control key, and then you can click the element that you want to select. Let's say I want to select this chart, shape, this circle, and also this image. And after that, go to arrange and click group, or you can also use this keyboard shortcut to do that. And there you go. Now all of them are under the same group, and when you move any one of them, the rest of the elements will move as well. And this is very useful technique to make your workflow in Google Slides a lot faster and easier. But then again, remember, you cannot select text. If you just select text like that, you see that all of them are text, but if you go to arrange, there is no option to group them. So yeah, that's the current limitation of Google Slides, but I hope this will be improved in the future. Anyway, that's how you can group text, or sorry, group objects in Google Slides. I hope you find this video helpful.